Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I got an easy job to do right now. They were putting these bump stops in on the front axle of these things. Now, front and rear is both the same. They pop out and pop in. So it'll be a short video, so check this out. So these little bump stops that are up here. See how that one's all nasty looking? All that thing does is just kind of keeps it from bottoming out too much. So you're gonna pop out, and it's the same thing on both sides. So basically, I have it jacked up to give it better there we go. Basically got it jacked up and supported with jack stands so that there's more space in here. Tires stay on the bottom, and as you jack it up, the frame lifts up. So this bad boy, it kind of pops right in there. There we go, that's it. Pops right in there. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Well guys, that's all she wrote. The new ones are in, and again, the process is the same in the back. Thanks for tuning in.